மணி இன்னைக்கு என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம்?
இன்னைக்கா ஸ்பைசி விங்ஸ்
3x ஸ்பைசி விங்ஸ்.
3x ஸ்பைசி ஸ்பைசி.
இது வந்து என்னன்னு தெரியுமா? இது வந்து நேற்று மேரினேட்டட் பண்ண சிக்கன்.
ஆல்ரைட்.
விங்ஸு. ஸோ ஓவர் நைட் மேரினேட்டட் வித் சால்ட், சில்லி பவுடர், சோய் சாஸ், அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணி பார்பிக்யூ சாஸ்.
Great barbecue sauce sauce.
ஆயில். இது வந்து ஷாலோ ஃப்ரை. It's not a deep fry. It's just a shallow fry.
Now let's wait for it to heat. What do you say? Alright, check the heat.
Oil சூடாயிருச்சு. சரியா?
Let's introduce the chicken to the oil. Oh man, that's so good. Machi, how long do we keep that for now?
We keep it for. We'll just check. It depends. It depends on how soon it's cooking.
Alright.
Okay. 6 flats, 6 drums. Oh, sorry. So now we'll cover it.
Alright. Check out the scissors.
And just open it.
Feels like a rainy afternoon, but it's sunny. Oh man. Oh, that oil flying out. It feels like it's World War II in there, huh? There we go, all nice and brown. This is like spicy chicken, man. It's still without the flavors, huh?
Still without the sauces. Okay. 2 more minutes and it will be done.
2 more minutes, yes? Great. And guess what this baby is?
This is king chili.
I've got the Naga king chili here. A mix of spices, a blend of cuisines. And here we've got other sauces. Barbecue pepper, habanero,
Chili flakes, pepper
dark
powder,
soy sauce.
mustard powder, Tabasco, chili vinegar. This is dark soy sauce. What is this?
Worcestershire sauce. Let's
Chili powder. It's smoked paprika. Smoked Indian paprika.
Alright. And finally, we've got the salt.
That's sugar.
Oh damn, it's sugar. Let's go back. Ooh, looks nice and cooked now. Oil spewing all around. Now let's get it out of the heat.
So it's nicely done.
Great.
ரோஷனை மிஸ் பண்ணுறோம்ல.
Yeah, man.
இது டோக்கோ பேசினா
They're the last of it. How do you like them apples? And getting back, let's start with the sauces.
Sure.
Let the Hunger Games begin.
Yeah. Let the Hunger Games begin.
Let's start with the rice. The first goes in. What does go?
Tomato ketchup.
Tomato ketchup. Tomato ketchup check.
Then goes barbecue sauce.
And then we have the barbecue sauce for some American flavor. It already feels ugly now.
So yeah, this will be more than enough.
Alright.
Soy
And
sauce.
next jumps in the soy sauce. A bit of Asian. Let's go for Worcestershire sauce. A little bit of England.
This is chili vinegar.
Chili vinegar. A little bit of Southeast Asian.
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce. Asia again. There we go. Then we have the pepper.
Chili flakes.
The chili flakes. Man, oh man. Look at that for that spicy flavor.
Okay.
And enough already.
And this is king chili.
Let's go for the king chili, our very own Indian dish.
It's from Mizoram. Yeah.
You like to thank somebody for the chili.
Mapui.
Thank you very much, Mapui, for the chili.
This is smoked paprika. Little bit is enough.
Alright. World flavor. I see.
Chili powder.
Great. You're feeling generous enough now?
Boom, man. It's going to be damn hot. Tabasco.
Man, welcome to hell. I think you'd best look at what you're putting inside.
And then to top it up with black pepper powder.
Black pepper. Now I recently remember when I got a hurt, when I got a wound in my leg, my mom put black pepper.
Wait.
That shows you how manly I am. In that wound.
little bit of sugar.
Yes, and a little bit of sugar, just to chillax those flavors.
Finally, a little bit of mustard powder.
Mustard powder.
Come this side now.
And let's mix that up topsy-turvy. Going around the pan. You think America is a melting pot of cultures? Check it out here. This is the melting pot of cultures. All flavors and spices mixed together
With a teaspoon.
with a teaspoon.
It's nice.
Alright, check it out. Looks more like a chicken gravy rather than a spicy dish.
Also, we should add a little bit of tomato ketchup.
Alright. The tomato ketchup is there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Munchie, wink please.
Sir, I'm adding this now.
More like closing your eyes. Yes. And now we add in the main ingredient, the chicken.
It's too thick, right? It's gonna be damn spicy.
But you want to hear a damn good fact about the chicken?
What?
The chicken has 2 legs.
Oh shit. Dude, this is
But
going
today-
to be damn spicy, man.
The word is not legs, it's wings.
I don't know how you're going to tolerate this. Handle it.
And let's check it out. I'm up for any spice, because I'm the spice master. Look at all that, all mixed up. Let's dress the chicken nice in flavors of spicy. I'm sorry,
Money.
it's spicy.
Handle பண்ணிருவியா?
Much I can handle it. There have been nights, there have been mornings. I've handled it all. And here I am taking a video of it.
எனக்கு பயந்து வருதுடா.
While you fear this chicken, I laugh at its face. Only if it had a face.
மூக்கு அடிக்குது பாரு.
And now, Sudarshan, let me ask you, do you fear the chicken or not? Yes or no? You don't fear the chicken, but you fear the spice. But to me, spice is nice. And that concludes the cooking of the spicy, fiery chicken. We'll have a little bit of taste later on, catching you up later. Good evening to you all. Signing off.
No signing off மச்சி. இப்பதான் ஸ்டார்ட் ஆக போகுது. போச்சு போ. Look at the pan.
The pan is already dead.
Okay guys, this is the spicy chicken challenge. Chicken wings challenge. Spicy chicken wings challenge.
With Coke.
With Coke.
Yes. The Coke is for our safety. Alright, let's check it out.
This is damn spicy.
Sudarshan.
This is going to be damn spicy. Okay, no time frame, no time duration. Okay.
Okay,
So let's start then.
let's start. Boy, cheers. See you in hell tonight. The sweet undertone in the start.
It's a little bit sweet.
And then a slow. Woo! Then you feel that slow tingling sensation of spice riding down your throat. Can't handle the spice, I told you I can handle it.
Satyamamulya.
You walk without t-shirt in the Himalayas, I'll walk without t-shirt in the Alps. Oh. Nice and spicy.
You can feel the heat.
After this much spice, the chicken like being undressed. Oh, the spice is amazing.
Next time we'll have a time limit.
Oh yeah? Because I'm taking my own time.
Next time we'll have 25 wing challenge.
25.
25 wings. Okay. Within 5 minutes. It's going to be fun.
Sounds like a bloody challenge. How's the spice coming for us today? Already matching
Check
the
this
spice
out.
up.
Oh. Looks like it is. Keep it on it. Last one.
So you eat chicken, you have bloody coke. It's addictive, man. It's addictive. This.
Everything is well balanced, but it's on the hotter side. It's done, guys.
And help me out.
Eat, Ra.
I'm signing out. It's the last one.
Oma? Raja.